Updating your billing address on Global Shares is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Login. Access your Global Shares account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings, find the Billing Information or Payment Details option. Click on it to view your current billing address. Step 4. Update your address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email out accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new billing address is recorded. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on Global Shares. Keeping your information current helps ensure smooth transactions and communications.